Hello my people, I don't come again. Is the ogbonge sister AB Media where they bring better story they come. My people, I dey greet una, I dey salute una anywhere una dey watch me. My new subscriber, thank you for coming. My old subscriber, thank you for coming back. So my people, wetin una dey see so? Wahala dey o. Our people dey get wahala too much o. This thing wey dey happen o for this ogbonge zoo wey dem dey call country, wey dey be call Nigeria, wey dem dey call Nigeria. My people, make una dey see wetin dey happen o. This girl wey una dey see here, e dey husband house o. Na e go carry tattoo for this man. Hey, come put for him back. Your husband face, you no put am for your body. Na another man, he say na your godfather. Now you come carry him picture come put. Abi na dem dey call am Tinubu, abi na who dem dey call am. Abeg my people, nothing person no go see for this our Nigerian girls, Nigerian women. No respect at all. You come carry another man picture put for your back. Your own husband, why you no put your husband picture for your body? Na another man picture now. You say him husband don drive am now. And so he come dey talk o. Him husband don drive am out, say make chase am out, say make him comot for him house, say make him go kukuma comot, because how he go carry another man picture put for body? How he go carry another man picture carry put for body? E no make sense na at all at all. Abeg, now I bring this story. I say my people wey dey watch, una go help me, una go see am by una sef and una go watch. No be say you go say na me talk am o. I wan make una use una eye and make una use una ear hear everything as im dey talk am. Make you see somebody wey dey husband house, how you go carry another person picture put for your body, put for your body, say na another man picture, abi because of money? Our people, hey, nothing person no go see for this our Nigerian women o. Nothing person no go see. Some things dey happen o. How you go carry person? What you know say this man now wey dey do this, wey dey carry him tattoo dey put, you know say this man don marry, and you sef you don marry. Why you be say na this man you go carry him this thing put for your body? Your own husband wey keep you, wey go pay your bride price, wey go pay spend money for your head, you no carry his own picture put for your body. Na another man person husband now you carry put for your own body. Sometimes our people wey be women, we wey be women, we dey do some things wey be say e no good at all at all. All those kind of things no make sense. So as I dey pass now I see this story, I say no, I go bring am for my people wey dey like to watch my video, wey dey like to hear my voice. I go bring am so dem go fit see am, make no be like say na me talk am, because things dey happen o. Things dey happen o. As I see this thing this night, I say wetin be this? All these things no make sense. How you go use somebody picture, how you go use another man, another person husband put for your body? Your own husband dey, abeg make una watch am.
I call her yesterday and I said yesterday, so it's there now.
Don't push me for that guy gonna sleep for this. Say you know say I don't.
I'm not seeing now. Now, what you carry me for? Say
Make we see your godfather. Egbe, Aṣíwájú.
Ele.
Jaga.
So my people, una dey see as I dey talk am o. Una don hear wetin she talk o. He say the husband don pursue am for house now. The husband don chase am out to say how you go be carry another person picture put for your body? Me wey be your husband, you no put am. No be me talk am o, na him talk am o. Say no, he no put am him own picture for body. Na another man picture now you come put for your own body. Women wey dey take am easy, all those things no dey make sense at all. When you see bad, make it talk o. Our people, all these things no dey make sense wey we dey do. We wey be women, we too get wahala for ourselves. You dey your husband house, why be say na another man picture na be wetin come good for you? Your own husband picture no good for you to put for body. You carry another man picture, na so you come knack am for your body. Make you be say na wetin, make you be say na you be celebrity, or make you be wetin. abeg make una dey take am easy. Una dey make the men dem go dey look other women na the same. They go dey use the same eye dey look everybody, all the whole women. Some men now if you talk to them now, they go tell you say all dis una women wey be, if you and dem dey talk, they go say all dis una women, all of una na be the same. Na so una character dey be, na so una character dey do this one, na so una character dey do this one. But na because of the bad ones now, people like all these ladies now don make some men now dey think say everybody na the same. They dey think say everybody na the same character. They go say everybody na the same wahala. They no know say nothing. No, everybody character is not the same. Everybody have their own different characters. Everybody have their own different ways. Everybody have their own different ways to do things. But they dey think say na the same. Na so na no be me talk am o. Na so I carry am come see. I come say make I tell una, make my people wey dey watch me, make una use una ear hear o, make una use una eye see. Because our ladies now, even married women, some of them know they show the respect of married women for themselves. They go dey misbehave outside, which is very very wrong. How can you be married and you go and draw tattoo for another man face in your body? What do you expect your husband to say? Do you expect your husband to be clapping for you? Do you expect you feel that your husband should be clapping for you, or your husband should be jumping up for you, or your husband should be telling you thank you so much, or your husband will be saying, oh my darling, thank you for doing that? That is very very wrong. Abeg my people, na make me carry this story come. I say make I tell my people wey dey watch me o, make una help me see this, make una help me see all these kind of things. Abeg women, mo dey take am suffer, mo dey take am suffer. If na money we dey find o, because I go know say na money na make you go draw those kind of things for your body, so you wan show say na nothing dey happen. Abeg my people, mo na dey take am easy. Take am easy dey find all this money. Make you no come use the money go come pursue your own destiny wey be say God connect you and him. You go say because of money you go come pursue your own husband. Tomorrow now you go come dey say, if you say you know, if you no do the same thing wey you do. Abeg women, mo dey take am suffer, and the more we dey take suffer dey do am because e dey spoil the people wey be say they never marry. E dey spoil some women wey be say dem dey sincere for their husband. E dey spoil some people characters, some good characters wey dem get as a woman. You know, there's a strong women, some women they don't tolerate all these kind of things, but see this kind of thing dey spoil many people name. It go spoil many women. They go say all of una are the same. Any man you talk, they will say all of una they are the same, all of you they are the same, all these women are the same way. So but everybody is not the same. You don't see this kind of thing. So my people, as I see this, I say no, only me no go see am. Make I show my people where they watch me. Na God go bless una, na God go keep una, na God go guide una, na God go protect una. As una they watch my video, subscribe to AB Media and share my video. What are you waiting for, my people? Thank you for watching AB Media. Is your ogbonge sister AB Media where they bring better story they come. I beg my people, I beg make we change for all these things what they do. Girls, women, we could change all these things.